Hello. Uh, so we are attempting to complete this problem set 2 of Open MIT Open Courseware. The course name is Introduction to Computer Science and Programming in Python. We already completed this problem set 1. Now we are moving to problem set 2. I am planning to do this video in English because there is a reason. In this video, I have very few views, a few viewers, only 29 views. uh, Among that 29, 2 or 4 views will be myself only. uh, Among that short number of viewers, one asked me to use common language, so I should hear that, I should follow that, so I am making this video in English. I'm not super confident in English, nor I'm fluent in English, but anyway I'm studying a new language called Python, so uh, let's improve my English language also. It's a win-win situation. So anyway, I'm attempting in English only. So we are starting with problem set 2. I already downloaded this problem set 2, which we can do by clicking on this link. Okay, so I already downloaded. Let me open the folder for you. Okay, wait. Okay, it's in here. Here. Okay. So the folder has I have 3 files. uh, Let me open this one. Okay, this is the instruction PDF. So let's read. These are okay. Problem set 1, basic Hangman, it's a game. Okay, you will implement a variation of the classic word game Hangman. If you are unfamiliar with this rules of the game, read it. Okay, if by any chance anyone uh, doesn't know about this Hangman game, it's a very famous game. uh, there is an online version for it. Okay, it's a very simple word game. The computer will guess one word. I already started to play this. Our aim is to guess letters in that word. So first chance I guess A, which was in this word. Second I choose H, which was not in this word, so I lose one chance. uh, okay, now I lose another chance. Oh, I lose 3 chances. You can see that now by losing these 3 chances, you can see one pole and one support is appeared on this screen. Third chance, oh, Q is not in. Yes, let's, oh, okay, I've almost run out of all my chances. Let's try I. Oh, I is in this word, so that appeared on this here. Oh, the word was recitation. I lose all the chances, so the game restarts. That's it. Computer will guess a word. We have to guess that word by selecting each letter one at a time. We have a selected number of chances. If you run out of that chances, the game is over. If you can guess the word, also we won the game. uh, the rules are very simple. Okay, don't be intimidated by this problem. It's actually easier than it looks. We will scaffold this problem, guiding you through the creation of helper function before you implement the actual game. Okay, getting started. Download the files hangman.py and words.txt. and save them both in the same directory. Okay, run the Hangman file. Okay, along with this question, they provided two files. One is words, is hangman.py. So we have to move these two files to one folder. I'm opening VS Code. I'm creating a folder, the name Hangman. So I'm going to move these two files, one, two. Wait. Just copy these two files to Hangman folder. Don't know why it takes too much time. Anyway, wait. Okay, these two. Oh, word.txt file contains a handful of words. It may be to select a random word for this Hangman game. The hangman.py file contain a few helper functions, but none of the functions is implemented. So we have to fill all these functions and make a Hangman game. Okay, now we know what is Hangman game. We have copied these two files. Next, run the file hangman.py before writing any code to ensure your files are saved correctly. So we are going to run this hangman.py file. Hopefully it will be okay. It's running. Is it running? Yes, it's running. But there is some error. What's the error? No such file or directory called words.txt. Then what's this? The error will be, wait. Okay. Let me check. I don't know. Oh, actually, in this Python file, they're trying to open a words.txt file, but it's turned to be an error because program could not find words.txt. So the problem may be because this word.txt file is in the same folder as that of hangman.py. Usually there won't usually it will work, but let me try by giving specific correct path to this file, and let me run once again. I don't know. Okay, this thing work. The problem may be you can see this base, this word. This means this python.py. I'm not 100% sure about this thing, but my guess is like this. This hangman.py file is running at base. At base means at the root folder of this of my system. That is here. We have to guide where this words.txt file is. So we have to provide proper path to words.txt. If this here it's base, so we have to provide the path from base. If this environment, we can say that environment is hangman folder, then we need not give this proper complete address, location address. We can just provide words.txt. I'm hoping that was the problem. Okay, so now it's working fine. 55,000 words are there in this file. all words are loaded. How it's loaded? There is a function called load words. This where, oh, using this method open, we open this file words.txt in read mode, and each line is read, and word list. Okay, so choose word. Okay, all these words are loaded here to word list. So it's returning a word list. Let me check where this function is calling here. Oh, it's a returning word list that is stored to a variable called word list, which is a global variable. So by accessing word list, we will get all list of all the words that's in words.txt file. So far so good. What we have to do next? If you see the above text, we saw that continue to Hangman game requirements. If you don't, double check that both files are saved in the same place. Okay, Hangman game requirements, you will implement a function called Hangman that will allow the user to play Hangman against the computer. The computer picks the word and the user tries to guess letters in the word. You already seen that. Here is the general behavior we want to implement. Don't be intimidated. This is just a description. We will break this down into steps and provide further functional specs later on in the pset to keep reading. Okay, fine. The computer must select a word at random from the list of available words. So computer will select a random word uh, among the words in that words.txt file. Note that words.txt file contains words in all lower letter words, in all lowercase letters. Okay, the user is given a certain number of guesses at the beginning. The game is interactive. The user inputs their guesses, and the computer either reveals the letter if it exists in the secret word, penalize the user, and update the number of guesses remaining. You already know that, I think. The game ends when either, we already discussed the general rules, so we move to this one. Hangman part 1, 3 helper functions. Before we have to write code to organize the Hangman web, we are going to break down the problem into logical subtasks. Creating 3 helper function you will need to have in order for this game to work. This is a common approach to computational problem solving, blah blah blah. Yeah, so we are going to implement functions one by one. The first function will be determine whether the word has been guessed. The first implemented function is word guessed. This is the function we are going to implement first. Let me rearrange. Previous here, code is here. Okay, is word guessed. Is word guessed. So we are going to implement this function at first. Okay, okay, that takes 2 parameters, a string secret word and the list of letters strings, the letters guessed. This function returns a boolean true if secret word has been guessed. That is, all the letters of secret words are in letters guessed, and false otherwise. This function will be useful in helping you decide when the Hangman game has been successfully completed and become the end test for any iterative loop that checks letters against the secret word. For this function, you may assume that all the letters in secret word and the letters used are lower case. So first of all, this secret word is a string. This letters guessed is a list of string. So this secret, our aim is to check whether this letters, which is a list, and the secret word are same. So letters guessed list which letters has been guessed so far. Assume that all letters are lowercase. This contain lowercase letters and this also in lowercase. So it returns boolean true if all the letters of secret word are in letters guessed. Okay, all the letters of secret word are in letters guessed, false otherwise. uh, According to the description, it's for finally checking whether the user guessed the correct secret word. So what should be our approach? Okay, let me think. One approach is like check every letter in the secret word and compare it with the list letters guessed and check these two strings are same. Other method is we can convert this letters guessed, which is a list of letters, to a string and just compare these two strings. We are assuming that secret word is in lowercase and all the letters in this list are in lowercase. So we can do that. I think that's a simple solution. So for that, we should know how to convert a list of letters to a string. That I am not sure about. That I think it's some functions, some method with the name joint is there. Let me search. Convert list of string to a string. Join function. As I already said, I am not an expert in Python. I'm just studying Python, so I don't know all the methods for string concatenation. String 1 join is list to string, list to string, string join, join is. Okay, join for there is a join function. Okay, this is perfect. 1 2 3 string for real. Direct method. Let me check. Stack join my tuple. So don't iterable required any iterable object that will return values as string. My dictionary name, my separator. Oh, it's taking too much of time. Okay, if does okay, this is separator. The separator will be my separator dot join my name. Okay, let me try. Hmm? Let's print this value and pass. Uh, what's the format? Separator dot join. we don't need any separator, so dot join. Let us just, okay, we are just printing that one. Is what guest, so we should call that in here, because this code don't need this code. Just commenting out this code. We want to call the function we just implemented, not completely implemented, just is word guest. Yeah, is word guest. For that secret word, yeah, guessing apple. Next is a list. First a p a p p l e. Okay, let me check. Where does this comma come? Oh, here. Oh, now it's working fine. Okay, this podcast. So we joined this list to a string. Now we are checking whether this string is same as that of secret word. In this case it's true, because I passed apple as secret word and apple as list. So I'm just changing this to a deleted one p. Now it's false. I deleted all this. Now it's false, so it's working fine. Check with empty. Okay, so it's working fine. So it's only one line of code but we take almost 20 minutes, not almost, almost 25 minutes. So now we will return this. So if the letters guessed, we join that list of letters to a one string, we compare that with the secret word, we pass through this function and we are checking whether these two words are same. If these two words are same, then the function will return true, otherwise it will return false. It's that simple. But I don't know this method, I'm not sure the syntax of this method, that's why I took this much of time. Anyway, thank you. Next steps we'll discuss in next videos.